Hi, lots of question about groups and commenting as your page or as your personal profile. So I want to show you something. So see, I search for some groups and I find a business group that I'd like to join as my business. So if I click the plus here, if the admin of this group has turned on the possibility to join as a page, not all pages have it. The admin has to set it up. So in this case, it's a business group, so it kind of makes sense that they did. So see how it says how to join group? I can join as my personal profile and as my business and or as my business. So I'm gonna end as other businesses that I'm an admin of. So there you go. I'm gonna join group. So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna receive it sent a request. See, you're interacting as Katrina, but what I want to show you is see this little toggle icon here. It appears that how I interact. So on that page now, I can interact as myself or as my business, which is super interesting. Now, keep in mind, if you join a group and it doesn't give you the option to join as a business, it's because the admin hasn't turned it on. You can always ask them if they know how and if they want to. I have another video on that. But if not, then you're just acting as your personal profile. But if you join as your business, you can go back and forth. If you're not sure, you can always leave the group and try to join it again and then see if those options come up. That's it. If you have any questions, please reach out to me and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.